Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to change out your engine air filter on your 2010 Ford Escape. This is the engine filter housing right there, two clips here. Just open these clips and just push it back a little like this. Pull the filter out like this. This is the filter, this is the top, and this is the bottom, and you just put in the new one. This is the new one. You just slide it in here. Make sure you open the box. Slide this in here like this. You just gotta push the box back like this. Like this. Okay, make sure it seats in, and make sure the bottom of the box, this box goes in. There's like two tabs over there and a notch. Make sure it fits in the notch, and just pull it in like this. Make sure it seats properly, because you're gonna suck air inside. And just put this back like this, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Click a like, leave a comment, any questions, suggestion, share the video, subscribe to see more videos.